Fresh, crisp, and cool, Japanese mint offers a wide range of benefits and uses. While similar to peppermint oil, Japanese mint contains a higher percentage of the chemical constituent menthol, giving it a more potent minty aroma. The oil comes from the Mentha canadensis plant, a species of mint native to both North America and Eastern Asia. This perennial plant has many uses, and its leaves and stems are steam distilled to produce Japanese mint. Use Japanese mint to add a delicious, cool burst of flavor to cakes, biscuits, and pastries. Create a homemade mint lemonade by mixing juiced lemons, water, sugar, and Japanese mint. Stay hydrated and energized during long hot days by adding 1 drop of Japanese mint to water. Perfect to store in your kitchen or bag. Try Japanese mint today and discover its unique qualities.